If you're looking for a reliable skip hire company in Essex and East London, you needn't look further than Simpson Skip Hire. Our experienced and skilled team offer a range of skip hire services throughout the area. Established in 2002, Simpson Skip Hire boasts a wealth of experience within the skip hire industry. We pride ourselves on our team of experts, affordability and trust. At Simpson Skip Hire, we care about the environment. We comply with all Environmental Service Agency standards, so you can rest assured our skip hire service is both responsible and eco-friendly. Our waste management service also ensures that at least 90% of your waste will be recycled. In addition to this, all of our vehicles are Euro 6 rated. This minimizes our carbon footprint thanks to ultra-low emissions. Many customers come to us because they know we take a sustainable approach to waste management. Our team can provide you with honest and professional advice and guidance, and help you find the right skip hire package to meet your needs. We offer a range of skip sizes for every job. Whether you need a domestic skip to fit on a driveway, one of our handy Skippo bags, or a 12-yard bin for renovation waste materials, we are happy to provide your skip promptly. Contact us today on 020-8597-2553 for a skip hire quote throughout Essex and East London.